Imagine an island where time seems to stand still. A place where the hustle and bustle of modern life is a distant memory and nature reigns supreme. A place untouched by the modern world where the air is pure and the landscapes are pristine. Here, strange and wonderful creatures roam free, living as they have for millennia. This is Socotra, a remote island archipelago off the coast of Yemen, often described as the most alien-looking place on Earth. Its landscapes are so unique that they seem to belong to another world. Separated from the mainland for millions of years, Socotra has evolved a unique and diverse ecosystem found nowhere else on the planet. Its isolation has allowed nature to take its own course, resulting in an extraordinary variety of life. Socotra's isolation has resulted in a remarkable degree of endemism. This means that many of its plants and animals are found only on this island, making it a treasure trove for scientists and nature lovers alike. This means that a large proportion of its plant and animal life is found only on this island. From the iconic dragon's blood tree to the Socotra starling, the island is home to species that exist nowhere else on Earth. It's a living laboratory of evolution, offering a fascinating glimpse into the power of nature to adapt and thrive in even the most challenging environments. Socotra stands as a testament to the resilience and creativity of life, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Socotra is located in the Arabian Sea, approximately 240 kilometers east of the Horn of Africa. This remote island is part of Yemen and is often referred to as the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean due to its unique and diverse ecosystem and 380 kilometers south of the Arabian Peninsula. Its strategic location has made it a crossroads of ancient maritime trade routes connecting Africa, the Middle East and Asia. It is part of a four-island archipelago, which also includes the smaller islands of Abd al-Khuri, Samar and Darsa. These islands are less inhabited but are equally fascinating, each offering a glimpse into the untouched natural beauty of the region. The largest of these islands, Socotra, is roughly 132 kilometers long and 49.7 kilometers wide. Its elongated shape and rugged terrain make it a haven for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. The island's unique geography is as captivating as its biodiversity. From towering mountains to expansive beaches, Socotra offers a variety of landscapes that are rarely found in such close proximity. Socotra boasts a diverse landscape of rugged mountains, deep valleys, pristine beaches, and vast limestone plateaus. These geological features have been shaped over millions of years, creating a natural wonderland that is both ancient and timeless. This varied terrain, coupled with its isolation, has created a mosaic of microclimates, each with its own distinct flora and fauna. The island is home to over 700 species of plants, a third of which are found nowhere else on Earth. This incredible biodiversity makes Socotra a living laboratory for scientists and a paradise for nature lovers. Perhaps the most iconic symbol of Socotra is the dragon's blood tree, or Dracaena cinnabari. This strange and wonderful tree gets its name from the crimson-red resin it produces, once believed to be the blood of dragons. The tree's unique umbrella-like shape is an adaptation to the arid climate, providing shade for its roots and minimizing water loss. The resin of the dragon's blood tree has been prized for centuries. It was used by ancient civilizations for medicinal purposes as a dye and even in alchemy. Today, the resin is still used locally as a traditional remedy and is gaining popularity in the cosmetics industry for its antioxidant properties. The dragon's blood tree is just one example of the extraordinary plant life found on Socotra. This tree, with its umbrella-like canopy and crimson sap, has fascinated botanists and travelers alike for centuries. The sap, known as dragon's blood, has been used for everything from medicine to dye, adding to the tree's mystique. The island is home to over 800 plant species, of which about one-third are endemic. This means that these plants are found nowhere else on Earth, making Socotra a living laboratory of evolution and adaptation. The island's unique climate and geographical isolation have allowed these species to develop in ways that are both surprising and beautiful. This incredible diversity is a testament to the island's long isolation and its ability to create life in unexpected forms. The flora here has adapted to the island's arid conditions, with many plants developing thick, waxy leaves to conserve water or deep root systems to tap into underground moisture. These adaptations are not just functional, but often result in strikingly beautiful and unusual plant forms. Among Socotra's botanical wonders, you'll find the bizarre cucumber tree, or Dendrosychios socotrana, the only tree in the cucumber family, with its swollen trunk and spiny branches. This tree looks like something out of a fantasy novel, with its bulbous base and sparse, spiky foliage. It's a perfect example of how life on Socotra has evolved in isolation, resulting in forms that are both strange and wonderful. Then there's the desert rose, or Adenium obesum socotranum, with its bulbous trunk and delicate pink flowers, defying the harsh desert conditions. This plant is not only beautiful, but also incredibly resilient, able to store water in its thick trunk to survive long periods of drought. Its flowers add a splash of color to the otherwise stark landscape, making it a favorite among both locals and visitors. The island is also a haven for succulents, with over 200 species, showcasing a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors. These plants are masters of survival, often growing in the most inhospitable conditions. Their thick, fleshy leaves store water, allowing them to thrive in the island's arid environment. From tiny, jewel-like rosettes to towering tree-like forms, the succulents of Socotra are a testament to the ingenuity of nature. Section 5. Socotra's unique animal inhabitants. Socotra's unique ecosystem extends beyond its flora. The island is also home to a fascinating array of animal life, many of which are also endemic. While large mammals are absent, Socotra teems with reptiles, birds and invertebrates, each playing a crucial role in the island's delicate balance. Among the island's most notable residents is the Socotra starling, a striking bird with iridescent black plumage and a distinctive orange patch on its wings. The Socotra chameleon is another fascinating creature, capable of changing color to blend in with its surroundings. The island's caves harbor a hidden world of invertebrates, including blind spiders, giant millipedes, and endemic species of bats. Section 6. A safe haven for endangered species. Socotra's isolation has made it a refuge for many species that have disappeared from the mainland. The island is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a Global 200 eco-region, highlighting its global significance for biodiversity conservation. The Socotra cormorant, Phalacrocorax nigrogularis, is one such species finding sanctuary on the island. This endangered seabird, once widespread in the Arabian Gulf, now relies heavily on Socotra for breeding. The island's pristine waters are also home to a variety of marine life, including dolphins, whales, and 5 species of sea turtles, some of which use Socotra's sandy beaches as nesting grounds. To Section 7, the importance of protecting Socotra's biodiversity. Socotra's extraordinary biodiversity is not only a source of wonder, but also a vital resource for the planet. Each unique species plays a role in the island's delicate ecosystem, contributing to its health and resilience. The island's endemic plants, for instance, hold potential for medicinal discoveries and genetic research that could benefit humanity. However, Socotra's fragile ecosystem faces growing threats from human activities such as overgrazing, unsustainable tourism, and the introduction of invasive species. Climate change also poses a significant risk, with rising sea levels and changing weather patterns potentially impacting the island's delicate balance. Section 8. Socotra: a call to conservation. Protecting Socotra's unique biodiversity is crucial, not just for the island itself, but for the future of our planet. Conservation efforts are underway, focusing on sustainable development, environmental education, and the establishment of protected areas. Local communities are actively involved in these initiatives, recognizing the importance of preserving their natural heritage for future generations. By working together, we can ensure that Socotra remains a beacon of biodiversity, a testament to the power of nature and a source of wonder for generations to come. Section 9. Experiencing the magic of Socotra. Socotra offers a rare opportunity to witness evolution in action, to explore a world untouched by time, and to connect with nature in its purest form. It's a place for adventure, for discovery, and for reflection. Whether you're hiking through its dragon blood forest, snorkeling in its crystal clear waters, or simply soaking up the island's serene beauty, a visit to Socotra is an unforgettable experience. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet's most precious treasures.